Hi everyone, very good morning. And in this session, we are going to learn about overlay keyword. It's a very powerful keyword, and you will enjoy learning and using this keyword. So let's go ahead. Overlay keyword help you to replace the blank characters. You can see that overlay keywords helps you to replace the blank characters in one string with characters from another string with their respective positions. For example, here you can see you have one string. In this string, you have these four blank spaces between A and F. So if you want to replace this blank character with 2, 3, 4, and 5, then you require one another string too, and you have to write this syntax overlay string 1 with string 2. So if you write like this, what will happen that in result, you will get the output under which this blank character will be replaced with their respective positions characters with string 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So because four spaces are here, here 2, 3, 4, 5 will appear. So remember here, just understand here, if you are going to use the overlay keyword with this syntax, with simple syntax, without having the addition only, then in this case, the output is going to become this. Okay, so we can go and see into the system as well. Here, I have written this simple program already. LV string 1 is the data object which is having this value where four spaces are present. LV string 2 is another data object of length 6 whose value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this simple syntax we are writing without only addition. We will see what will happen when we are going to use the only addition with overlay keyword. So overlay LV string 1 with LV string 2, and you will see that this blank spaces will be replaced with 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just activate this and let's execute this. So you can see that 2, 3, 4, 5 in beginning A and at last if is there. Now let's go and see the second scenario. Overlay keyword can be used for the purpose of replacing the non-blank character as well, but with the help of addition only along with mask value. So after only we can give like which are the characters you want to replace. So for example, here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and I want to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you want to replace entire A, B, C, D, E, F, you have to mention this, and it's case sensitive, so you have to be careful. Okay. So what will happen? This A, B, C, D, E, F will be replaced completely with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's suppose if you have given here only A, B, then what will happen that only A and B will be replaced with 1, 2. C, D, E, F will not be replaced. Okay. One more thing, let's suppose if you have not given this only AB addition, then in that case, A, B, C, D, E, F is going to remain as it is. It will not be having any impacts. So let's go and check into the system directly. For example, here you have A, B, C, D, E, F, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here overlay LV string 1 with LV string 2. You can see that only addition is blank at this moment, is commented at this moment. So the output is going to remain same as I told you. There will be no any impact. Okay, so press F8. You can see that A, B, C, D, E, F is there. Why there is no impact? See, if you don't put this only addition, then it will only check for the blank character. It will only check for the spaces. It will only check for the blank values. If blank value is found, then only it will replace with the respective characters. So here, because there is no blank value, it didn't do anything. Now, if you want to replace this ABCDEF with entire value, then you have to use this only addition only and use this entire string. So entire string value is LB string 1, so I'm keeping it over here, LB string 1. And now when we will execute, you will see that the value will be what? Tell me. A, B, C, D, E, F will be replaced with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's execute and see the output. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now let's go and understand one more important thing is that, for example, if you want to only replace this B with 2 and you know C with 3, right? So what you will have to do that in that case, you know, because you want to replace only B and C, so you have to tell B and C. So at B, 2 will come and C, 3 will come. So that's the power of this overlay keyword with only addition, So only those two particular characters you will be able to replace. Isn't it amazing? Right? Just type amazing in the comment box if you find this keyword amazing. Let's press F8 and see the output now. So you can see that only 2 and 3 is coming, right? So B, C got replaced with 2 and 3. Hope you enjoyed learning the overlay keyword, and now onwards, whenever you have to replace some value with some character of another string, you start using this overlay keyword. Thank you for watching.